National Girl Child Day is a day observed in India to raise awareness about the rights and welfare of the girl child. The day is celebrated annually on January 24 and aims to promote gender equality and empower girls to reach their full potential. The girl child in India is often discriminated against and faces various forms of inequality and abuse. They face discrimination in terms of education, healthcare, and economic opportunities. Many girls are forced into early marriage, denied the right to education, and are subjected to gender-based violence. To address these issues, the Indian government has launched several initiatives to improve the status of the girl child. For example, the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign was launched to address the issue of declining child-sex ratio and to empower girls through education and awareness. The government has also introduced several schemes such as the Kishori Shakti Yojana and the Rajiv Gandhi scheme for empowerment of adolescent girls to provide education, healthcare and vocational training to girls. In addition, NGOs and civil society organizations have also played a significant role in raising awareness about the rights and welfare of the girl child. They have been working to provide education, healthcare and support to girls from marginalized communities. However, despite these efforts, there is still a long way to go to ensure the rights and welfare of the girl child in India. Therefore, it is important to continue raising awareness about the challenges faced by the girl child and to work towards creating a more inclusive and equal society for them. In conclusion, National Girl Child Day is an important day that serves to remind us of the ongoing challenges faced by the girl child in India and to raise awareness about the need to empower them to reach their full potential. It is crucial to continue working towards creating a more inclusive and equal society for the girl child.